Hello, as promised, we are doing our baking session, our bread thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's start. I can't wait.
Well, you have first to explain something about this bread. I think it's not bad, right?
Yeah, it's bread.
No, not really. Not really. It's not really bread.
Good bread.
Seeded bread.
Seeded bread. Yeah, it's healthy bread, seeded bread. It helps you for digesting, for, let's say, a more efficient way to go to the place where you're washing the hands. Don't forget to sing happy birthday to you.
That's what we do here in England.
Yeah, in
right?
England, yeah. Yeah. But we found out in England it doesn't work as efficient. That's the reason why we are staying at home.
Yeah. So you need quite some ingredients for this. I would say we bought everything on Amazon, so you don't even have to go to the shop if you have Amazon.
Maybe, but go to your local ones. If you have the chance, call them up. Maybe they are delivering too.
Right. Okay. So all you need is almond flour. You're doing. What about you putting 1 cup in or half a cup in? You prepared? No.
I'm prepared.
No, not this one.
That's a full cup.
Yeah. No, that's the white and faded cup.
No, it's a white and faded house cup.
Same.
Why not?
Because you need this one. Measuring cup.
That's a half a cup.
That's
you
half
say.
a cup. Mm-hmm.
That's
Half a cup of almond flour.
But why can we not use this one?
Just because that's not a measuring jug. Okay. Half a cup of almond flour. I showed already.
Half a cup. That means a full of this
full
one.
one of that one.
Just to make sure. Is it like heaped or
Non-heaped.
like this?
Yeah. Did you wash the bowl?
Yes.
And then we need 1 cup of sunflower seeds. This one. Did you prepare it? It's not opened yet.
Sunflower seeds. Voila. As you see, I'm well prepared. I have a knife prepared. It was hidden, by the way. You know the reason. If you're watching my story, you understand.
Not
So,
sure. Okay.
how much again?
1 cup?
1 cup is 2 of this.
Yes, correct. One.
Normally I'm feeding the birds with it.
Yeah.
So
and then you need 1.5 cup, so that's 3 of those, of the rolled oats. And I used the gluten-free organic one because I have
the super healthy one.
I have an intolerance for gluten.
And I have an intolerance of knives. Okay, how many?
I said 3 of those.
3.
1.5 cup. Yeah, 1.
1. 2. And number 3.
Are you prepared for the tablespoon and teaspoon?
No. Tablespoon.
This is a spontaneous thing. Well, for me it's spontaneous, but no. As in a measuring tablespoon?
Yeah, measuring tablespoon, oh dear.
I know you're not good in those kind of cooking. Yes, well done.
I think that's for our babies to feed.
Salt?
Salt? Yes, salt is really good. Where is it?
Here.
Okay. And which one of those 3 do you need to
You take 1 teaspoon of salt.
Oh, I don't have my reading glasses with me. Is it written on it?
Yeah, it's this one.
This one. Okay, you're taking of those 3. If you have the same,
No,
you
they
have to
normally
take this
have
one.
5 on them.
Oh, okay, whatever. Maybe it's written teaspoon on it.
Yeah, no.
Just to make sure that you're not
Messing up too
messing
much.
up. Because when you're in love, you know how it is with the salt. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
See, I proved it's okay. You can have a little bit too much.
Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, that's the teaspoon, and that's an extra love.
Oh, there was heaped. There's more than just a little bit of extra.
Oh dear.
Okay, anyway, so
it would be good if you can eat that afterwards as well.
2 tablespoons of chia. That's this one.
Chia is something to eat.
Yeah. And it's tablespoons. What's the bigger one?
This one.
No. Spoon. Cup.
Oh, spoon.
Spoon.
That's a cup too, by
Yeah,
the way.
I know. We know that already.
Just for your information. Cup.
No. You're confused. That's a cup. That's a spoon.
How many?
2.
1. Just showing off that I can count. 2. Actually, that's really healthy.
Yeah. I think afterwards you're going to take a picture of all of it, that people know what to get.
Chia seed. That's how you're spelling it?
Yeah, that's only in the other way around. 3 of these one.
Which one of those 3?
Same size.
This one.
Yeah.
That's again which spoon it's called? Tablespoon.
And what are you putting in?
Organic whole. Oh dear. Psyllium husks.
Husks or something?
Husks. It sounds a little bit Swedish.
I don't think it is. It's produced in India.
Oh, okay. And what is it again?
I have no clue. But
Husks.
it's
Husks.
but
Okay.
it's
We will write it here.
Yeah.
Here.
Somewhere.
Okay. And how many? How
3
much again? 3 of
3
those.
of those. Yeah.
1, 2, 3. It's amazing how she's trusting you with that.
It's not so bad. Then 1.5 cup of water. That means 3 of this one. In the meantime, I'm going to stir the dry ingredients.
Okay, I'm coming.
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah.
Okay,
No,
Steve.
that's not full. You have to have them all the way to the top full.
Yeah, but then I'm spilling.
Yes, that's okay. That's okay, but otherwise there's not enough water.
It's okay to spill. That's the first time.
Well, you can afterwards
Okay,
clean
now
the
it's
floor. This is so funny.
Okay, that's
Yeah, do it. It's okay.
I do it with oops.
Yeah, you do it with love. Okay, that's 1.
I have a game.
Tell me. No, darling, don't do this. No. 2. Okay, but it's actually, you need to be a little bit topping up I would say 3.5 because you're not really
Oh, what?
putting a full cup.
Are you saying I'm a cheat?
Yeah,
Okay,
Thank
and
you.
a little bit.
a tiny little bit. Not
So-
even a half.
No.
See, we are professionals. You see that straight away.
We are used to work in the kitchen together. Well, I'm working and she is enjoying.
Oh, yeah, sure. Uh-huh.
Can you?
Yeah, okay. Phew. So, now we need to have coconut.
My special ingredients.
Yeah.
Okay, how much? And which one again?
A tablespoon, the big one. Yeah. And 3 of those.
3 of. Oh,
But it's actually...
that's so dangerous. Okay, 1.
Yeah. It actually doesn't matter if it is a little bit too much. I would just not do too little. Did you wash your hands?
Yeah. Of course. It's Mother's Day, by the way.
I know.
Mother chicken.
My chickens are gone. I have only 2 chickens here. One I haven't even seen yet.
And one more.
Yeah.
One more.
Yeah.
So normally that's the moment where I'm licking my finger. I'm not doing it now. You know, you should not touch your finger. Especially, don't touch your finger anyway, but, don't touch your face anyway. Especially when you're cutting chilies. Oh dear.
So.
We still need that?
No. Okay, do you have the pen?
Pen?
The one, for like cake pen and stuff. Should be in that cupboard, I think, or in the pantry.
You are. Which
well,
one?
Dino wanted to do this.
Which one?
In this one? Yeah.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, this one, yeah. No?
No.
Then it's in the pantry, maybe?
No.
I mean, Dino wanted to do a cooking show, so there you go.
Yeah. It's not a cooking show. How to show. How to show. It's not a cooking show. It's how to show.
How to show how to do
how
cooking.
to make bread. That's the first bread cooking show. Baking show. Baking show.
A baking show.
Oh, we should go to this baking thing.
Oh,
things.
Bake Off.
Bake Off.
Okay, anyway, put this one in there, please.
I'm not your slave. Okay, I am.
It's Mother's Day, remember?
Mother's Day.
I did enough.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It looks a little bit like you didn't. So, good. So, everything goes here. I want to show you. You have this one.
That's from experience, that one works the best. Because
Yes.
it's quite a tricky thing afterwards.
I do that daily.
Yeah. I think it's the second time you're actually making it. Isn't it?
Kind of.
Yeah, so you can add if you like chocolate chips.
Do we have that?
No, because then it would not be keto. It's not nice like that. So because I'm doing keto, I'm lifelong on keto, I would say, due to my health problems I had.
It's not me,
It's
huh?
I cannot eat sugary items. Unfortunately, I love sugar, but and as well not normal carbs. So that's why this bread is extremely low in carbs. And the problem is only I have to stay away from it because it is.
We forgot this one. The flax seeds.
Oh, yeah, we did half a cup of flaxseed. Anyway, we can still stir that through, that's fine. Because there's no mixing involved in this, just only flattening.
You see why I'm so amazing? I see. How much of the flaxseed?
Well, half cup. No, full half cup.
Oh, full one.
Yeah.
Oh dear, we forgot so much.
Yeah. This is the lousiest cooking show. We might get fired for it.
That's fine.
Yeah, do it.
We are staying at home anyway. Okay, cool. You need to steer, no?
Okay,
I put
yeah,
it
we'll
in.
try.
Yeah.
It doesn't work like, oh dear, this is going to be the most interesting one that I've made so far. I made many of it. So anyway, to go back to the keto, I'm doing low carb food.
Okay, you're putting in and I think I steer. Are you sure?
Yeah, why not? I think it goes good, no? It goes fantastic. Oh dear. Anyway, it's that's the easy thing of it. You know, it doesn't matter if you forgot something. If you want to add stevia sweetener in it and chocolate to make
we
it
have so
more
much
warmer.
salt in it.
Salt and sugar you have all the time in.
But what you
sweets.
can try, instead of chocolate, stevia or whatever, try chili.
Yeah, well, maybe try not in the beginning. Just see.
Try the boring one first, and then go.
Just the basic.
The
because this
one.
one is really nice. We're going to have it in the oven afterwards. But it's really nice to have it with cheese and with other stuff. So I would like to see how it looked like. Yeah, it won't fall out. It's quite sticky. But now we have to take a 2-hour break because it needs to sit for 2 hours or even overnight. So
I think you're really happy about that. So we are making our short break of 2 hours. In the meanwhile, we are going to the garden. See ya.